Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to discuss a common issue that you might face in your Windows PC. That is, you might get an error message that your Windows license has expired. So how do we counter that issue? That's what we are going to see in this video. So for this, the first step you need to do is open any folder onto your system. It could be any folder. Once you have opened your folder, go to the taskbar and right click to bring up this menu and click the task manager from this menu to open it up. The reason we opened a folder earlier because once we have opened the folder, then we would get Windows Explorer over here in the task manager. So if you just search for the Windows Explorer, then it would be present over here now, and earlier without opening the folder it would not have been present. So let us just quickly search for Windows Explorer, and once you get that, you can just right click and go to restart. Just select the restart option, so it would restart the Windows Explorer for you. Now at this point, in most of the cases your error would have been solved. In case it is not solved yet, still you are getting the same error, then go to the search bar, type in cmd to bring up the command prompt and run it as an administrator. Now over here you need to run this command, that is slmgr space -rearm. Now once you run this command, you need to restart your system, and once you have restarted it, then your issue with the Windows license would have been solved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.